I woke up today to a lot of mayhem. This is Iron. She's trying to lay an egg. It's her first egg and she doesn't really know what's happening. So all the other chickens are over here making a whole ruckus, trying to support her. She doesn't really know what to do, but this is her instincts and she's just trying to figure out what's happening. This is Luna. She's my expert layer, so she's really digging her nose into everything, trying to help, and singing the egg song to the whole world so the neighbors and everybody has to hear about this egg business. This is Daisy. She's trying to show her support too. And her sister's outside hollering too. Everybody's a little nervous right now. Hyped up. So what her sister does is the sister lays her eggs up there on that perch, and it falls down and it cracks, or it just gets poop all over it. So she's trying to do the same thing her sister's doing, and I'm like out here forcing her to be in the nest box. Everybody's trying to show her support, but she doesn't like it. She's pecking at them. And Luna's here running around in circles like a dad, waiting for his wife to deliver her baby. She's so involved, she don't know what to do to help. Yeah, Daisy's been consistently in that position, like really close, like almost hugging. And Luna's over here and she don't know what to do, but she wants to help. But she's really just, well, she wants to lay an egg too actually. But she can't because of all this mayhem. Looks like Luna's trying to lay. If I pet her, then she'll squat, right?
But that's because of the baby, right?
She was like all fluffed up, and then like the egg like flopped out. It's Iron's first egg. Oh, she did such a good job. Literally seconds before I put on the camera, it just bloop and came out. Well, I let her look at her first egg, and then after she evaluates it, I'll show you the egg. Happy ending.
I guess okay, they fluff up like that.
Oh, it's so warm, and it's a big old egg, and it's so warm. This is a ginormous egg. It's so warm. It was freshly laid. Because it was her first time laying and she didn't know what to do, it's a little cracked because she was standing up and it wasn't very graceful, but and the next time I know she'll know what to do. And she is a copper Moran mixed with the Rhode Island Red, and she lays medium to dark egg color. I was hoping that she would carry the chocolate gene, but her sister and her both don't carry the chocolate gene, and I'm not sure if it was the mom or the dad that was the Moran. I'm not sure if that affects anything, but so yeah, there you have it. Her first egg caught Almost caught on camera.